Hey guys, today I have a GLAMLITE haul which I'm really excited about because it's the Scooby-Doo collection. So I'm going to show you what we got. I need some scissors. So it came in this massive box here. Okay, so this is it here, which is so exciting. Oh my god. Now I did buy two of them because I am going to put one in a giveaway. Which I think will be really exciting to be able to give away a whole collection. But anyway, this is how it comes. It looks so cute. And I'm really excited for this one. I think it was really cool how they listened to the feedback of all their customers and made a new collab based on that. So, this is what we've got inside. It looks super cool. So the first thing we have in here is this Mystery Machine makeup bag, which I just think is the cutest thing ever. So it looks like that. And then, okay, inside it's a little bit basic. I thought it would have been decorated inside, but anyway, that's fine. It's just like grey inside and it's got some slots up here to hold like brushes and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a tiny bit disappointed that it's not decorated inside. Like, I know it's gonna get dirty with makeup anyway, but anyway, that was the first thing. Then we also have a little set of brushes, which is super cute. So yeah, it's just this four-piece set of brushes. We've got like a liner brush, a small brush, and then like a couple of like a blending brush, and then like a kind of creasy looking kind of brush. So we've got those. We have the Daphne lip kit, which looks like this. Yeah, and it just slides out like this. And this is what it looks like inside. So we get a lip gloss and a lipstick. Mind you, the packaging of this is absolutely stunning, like so pretty. My hand's a little bit dirty, but I'm going to try and swatch it for you. So that there is the Daphne lipstick shade. And then we have the gloss, which the packaging of this is stunning as well, like really, really pretty. I feel like this collection feels really, really luxe and nice. Like, and that is the gloss there, which is so pretty. It's really pretty. I feel like I wish they would remake that into like a liquid eyeshadow colour because that's stunning. So that was the first lip kit. Then we have the Velma lip kit. That's the packaging of that one. And once again, absolutely stunning packaging. Okay, and then Velma is more of like a brownie shade. So that one there. Really, really pretty. And then her gloss is like a kind of clear gloss. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's got a bit of an orange reflect. And that is the packaging of the lip gloss. So those lip kits are absolutely stunning. So, so pretty. I feel like you can just tell the amount of like thought and planning that went into making those. Next we have the Scooby Snack Lip Duo, which looks like this. It's like a little box, which is just the cutest thing ever. It's a little Scooby snack box. So apparently this was GLAMLITE's like first like skincare product, which is really exciting. So there they are there, super beautiful. So we have a lip scrub and a lip mask. I just want to smell them. Oh, yum! That smells like so buttery and like just so yummy. And the formula is really interesting. It's like a super thick kind of formula, so I'm very excited to try that. Oh, it just smells so good. Can't even explain it. And then we have the lip sleeping mask. That's the packaging there. That one you can't smell as strong, but it's like subtle, but it smells like the same as the lip scrub. It's just a little bit like more subtle. So that was the little lip duo. Then we have the blush palette, which looks like this. It's got Velma and Daphne on it. Cute. And it's the, you know, that, I don't know what this is called, but you know what it is, where it like changes colour. I mean, changes picture. And those are the blushes. I feel like they're really, really pretty shades. So, got that. Then we have the mirror, which I'm really excited about. And it's super cute. It's just got Shaggy on the back. I mean, not Shaggy, sorry, Scooby on the back. Super cute. And it's got little love hearts on the front of it. So I feel like that's quite sweet. I feel like it's weird because everything else in this collection is kind of like blue themed. So like, I feel like it would have made more sense if the actual mirror was blue, but it's still really cute nonetheless. And then the last thing, or the main event, the palette. This feels heavy. So this is a 25 pan palette. It says it's for face and body. And this has the same thing as well, where it's got like changes picture on it. So we have one with Scooby-Doo and one with the rest of them, which is cute. And I think this palette's actually really, really pretty. Like this palette, what's the word? Like it excites me. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's super pretty. I'm really excited to do a look with that. So yeah, I'm obviously going to do a review soon, trying out the whole collection, which I'm really excited about. And also there should be a giveaway coming soon, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!